Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is poem on a culture of integrity for nations' prosperity in English. In lands where honesty blooms like spring. In lands where honesty blooms like spring, a culture of integrity takes wing. A culture of integrity takes wing with roots that delve in trust deep ground. With roots that delve in trust deep ground, a nation rises where hope is found. A nation rises where hope is found. From mountain peaks to ocean's shore, from mountain peaks to ocean shore, the call for truth is heard evermore. The call for truth is heard evermore. In every heart, in every hand, in every heart, in every hand, integrity builds a steadfast land. Integrity builds a steadfast land. When leaders stand with moral grace, when leaders stand with moral grace and guide their pupil with earnest face, and guide their pupil with earnest face, the weight of power is lightened too. The weight of power is lightened too. For a just society can bloom anew. For a just society can bloom anew through corridors of commerce and trade. Through corridors of commerce and trade, transparency shines, foundations laid. Transparency shines, foundations laid. Where ethics flourish, wealth is shared. Where ethics flourish, wealth is shared, and in that spirit all are spared. And in that spirit all are spared. In classrooms bright, young minds are taught. In classrooms bright, young minds are taught the value of honesty, the battles fought. The value of honesty, the battles fought. For knowledge grows where truth prevails. For knowledge grows where truth prevails, and character waves through every tale. And character waves through every tale. In fields of justice, fair and true. In fields of justice, fair and true. The scales are balanced, no shadows brew. The scales are balanced, no shadows brew. A vigilant eye on the law's embrace, a vigilant eye on the law's embrace ensures that each voice finds its place, ensures that each voice finds its place. The artist's brush, the poet's pen, the artist's brush, the poet's pen inspire the heart of woman and man, inspire the heart of woman and man. They celebrate the virtues bright, they celebrate the virtues bright of integrity shining in the night, of integrity shining in the night. Communities thrive when bonds are strong. Communities thrive when bonds are strong, when every members feel they belong, when every member feel they belong, with open hands and generous heart, with open hands and generous hearts, together they play their vital parts, together they play their vital parts. For in the fabric of every state, for in the fabric of every state, integrity waves a powerful fate. Integrity waves a powerful fate. A tapestry rich with colors bold. A tapestry rich with colors bold. Stories of courage, both new and old. Stories of courage, both new and old. So let us gather, let us unite. So let us gather, let us unite in the spirit of truth, in the name of light. In the spirit of truth, in the name of light. For a culture of integrity, let us strive. For a culture of integrity, let us strive to ensure that our nations together thrive. To ensure that our nations together thrive. In every voice, let the anthem ring. In every voice, let the anthem ring. Of honesty, justice, let freedom sing. Of honesty, justice, let freedom sing. For a prosperous future, let's pave the way. For a prosperous future, let's pave the way with integrity's light guiding each day. With integrity's light guiding each day. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.